Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissant professional easy method. We'll start by preparing a simple dough, focusing on proper hydration and mixing. Then, I'll guide you through the crucial lamination process, making it approachable for home bakers. You'll discover how to create those beautiful, airy layers without extensive effort. Get ready to bake some truly impressive croissants with confidence and ease. First, combine your dry ingredients with cold water and yeast, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Knead it gently for about 5 minutes until smooth, then let it rest in the fridge. This initial chill helps the dough become more manageable. Next, we'll carefully enclose a precisely shaped butter block within the dough, ensuring an even distribution for perfect layers later on. This step is foundational for achieving that classic croissant texture.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these croissant tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more baking adventures. Quick recommendation: all this baking can be thirsty work, so stay hydrated with an eau à la water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold while you're busy in the kitchen or on the go. You can find the link for it and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the lamination, which is simpler than you think. Roll your dough into a rectangle, then fold it into thirds like a letter. This is one single fold. Chill the dough for 20 minutes, then repeat this rolling and folding process 2 more times. The key is to keep the dough cold and work efficiently. This methodical approach builds those incredible, distinct layers that define a professional croissant. After the final fold, roll your dough to about 1/8 of an inch thick. Cut it into long triangles, roughly 3.5 inches wide at the base. Gently stretch each triangle before rolling it tightly from the wide end towards the point. Arrange them on a baking sheet, proof until puffy, then bake. The high heat creates a beautiful rise and a perfectly golden, crisp exterior. Enjoy the aroma.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.